Hey everyone, this is June from Turning Point Life Investment, and this is your market analysis for October 30th, 2010. Okay, this week has been pretty choppy. We saw a lot of ups and a lot of downs, but overall the week has more or less ended up flat. Basically, the market is very indecisive. It's pretty much waiting for next week to tell it where it wants to go next. But overall, as I mentioned, the market has more or less just been flat. Just a lot of choppiness, a lot of whipsaws. And when you see something like that, either one or two things can happen. Either A, it's consolidating for more upside, okay, because consolidation usually means that it's ready or it's preparing itself to launch itself higher, especially when you see some kind of a pattern forming, maybe a little triangle going on right here. So a break outside of this triangle tells us that there's more upside for this market. On the other hand, choppiness, when it's especially a lot of ups and downs, can also mean a top. Usually tops are defined by choppiness here. It's different from a bottom where bottoms are usually pretty sharp, like a V-shaped type of bottoms that we see here. Tops are usually pretty flat, pretty choppy. If you go back and just kind of look at all the different tops we had, just like here, kind of flat and choppy, here flat and choppy, here flat and choppy. Okay, so this could also be one of those flat and choppy type of tops that's forming right now. So most likely we'll probably find out next week whether whether A, this market is consolidating to move higher, or B, it's chopping to form a top right now. Overall, I'm still leaning towards the downside. I think the market is at a top if or very close to a top, simply because if you look at this channel, it's hitting the top of this channel right here. So if we do get another break, it probably won't take us that far, maybe to retest this top of the channel again. So, you know, you have to define your risk and reward. Buying right close to resistance isn't exactly the best thing to do. You want to buy near support, right, which is down here. But buying near resistance basically means you're buying near the top. So just be mindful of where we are in this market.